Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on rounding, and you're told the diameter of the moon is 3,476 kilometres, and you've got to work out the diameter to the nearest 100 kilometres, and you've got to write your answer in this box here, and this will give you 1 mark in the exam. So your key facts, remember, if you're rounding, you've got number 5 or above, you round up. So 5 to 9, climb the vine. There are lots of different sayings to help you remember. These are my favourite ones. If you've got 4 or below, you keep the number the same. So 0 to 4, slide to the floor. Remember your place values, so your ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands. So in this case, we're just going up to thousands here. And we're going to be rounding to the nearest hundred. So that's the 3rd digit in your hundreds column. Press pause, see if you can work out what the answer is, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Well, welcome back. Hopefully you've managed to work out how to round this number. Now the key bit when you're rounding is looking at the number that is where the hundreds is. So the hundreds column here is the 3rd one along. You've got the ones, the tens, the hundreds. So the 4 is in the hundreds column. So to help us decide what we're going to do when we round, we look at the number before it. So we look at the 7. Then we've got to say, is 7 5 or above, or is it 4 or below? So if it's 5 or above, then we climb the vine. So 7 is 5 or above, so we're going to climb the vine. So that means this 7, okay, is going to make this next number here, the 4, become a 5. The other digits become 0. Now, some people struggle to understand what we're doing when we're rounding. Now, they will know that the number has either got to be 3,400 or 3,500. Okay, but they're not sure which one it's going to be, whether it goes to 400 or whether it goes to 500. Now, if we've got a scale here where we've got 3,400 at one end and 3,500 at the other end, between 400 and 500 is 450, so this is 3,450. Now 3,476 has got to be bigger than 3,450. So if I put a cross here, because it is bigger than 3,450, this cross is closer to 3,500, which means the answer is 3,500. So you could do it diagrammatically if you prefer, but the easiest way is to look to the digit to the right of what you're rounding to. So because it's to the nearest 100, this is 400, we look to the right of that, which looks at the 7. The 7 is 5 or higher, so we're going to climb the vine because it's 5 or above. So climbing the vine means this 4 becomes a 5, so I've got a 5 in the hundreds column now, and the other digits just become 0 because I'm writing it to the nearest 100, so it's closest to 500. So 3,500 is the correct answer, and this will give you 1 mark in the exam. Give yourself a big tick if you got that correct. Well done. You can see the mark scheme on this question is 3,500 for 1M, which means 1 method mark. Comment below to let me know how you got on with this question. Could you do it? What was your answer? Let me know how you found it. Remember, if you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.